What is up, everyone, and welcome to another business class review. We are currently flying Finnair direct from Helsinki, Finland to JFK. This is currently their only direct flight from the US to Finland, Finland to the US. I believe they're going to be adding more. Maybe by the time that you see this video, there are more flights going directly there. But believe it or not, it's only an 8-hour flight, 8 hours to 9 hours, depending, I guess, on weather and stuff. So far, the experience has been great. They did greet us with either champagne, blueberry juice, which if you've ever come to Finland or if you've ever flown Finnair, you know that they are very known for their blueberry juice. Berries and Finland go together like peanut butter and jelly. So I ended up getting champagne with blueberry juice. So instead of a mimosa, I got a blamosa, I guess you can call it. I don't know. But it was really delicious. Right now, we are just taking off. But I do want to go over what you can kind of expect when you're on this flight, the seating layout, which is very comfortable. As you can see, I have a lot of room. I kind of got a corner area so I could film and, not be annoying. But let's go over the menu first. So, as I said, they greet you with, either champagne, water, blueberry juice, or a blamosa. You also have a beverage menu. They are known for their winter wine selection, which is pretty cool. So they do serve Joseph Perrier as their main champagne, and they've got champagne, white wines, red wines, dessert wines. But what I'm really interested to try is their Northern Blush cocktail. This is a Finnair signature cocktail, which has gin, lingonberries, which I love lingonberries, orange peel, and bitters. I feel like that sounds so good, and I'm going to be ordering that once we can start ordering drinks. You also have beer and long drinks, which in Finland, long drinks are a thing. It's gin with grapefruit juice. Really delicious. If you've never tried it, I would recommend trying it. You don't necessarily have to be on a Finnair flight or in Finland to try that. I'm pretty sure you could get that in the States. They have hot beverages, tea, soft drinks, the usual. And then for dinner tonight, well, it is technically dinner here in Finland. It's 5 p.m. But when we get to the US, it's going to be 6 p.m., which is pretty interesting. It's like we're going back in time. But we have our dinner menu, and there are some cold plates. I'm deciding between the veal with pickled chantilly's, which I don't know what that is. But I'm also looking at the feta cheese, which I think that's what I'm going to get. It's feta cheese with nettle pesto, strawberries, apple, gilly, pickled cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a little bit more things, which sounds really good. You also got our warm plates. So they are serving slow-cooked beef or a roasted white fish or a vegetarian option, which is a creamy mushroom risotto. I'm allergic to mushrooms, so I won't be eating that. And then you got your dessert selection. They're going to give us some cheeses, as well as the option of a princess cake or a blueberry pie with berries. And then before landing, they're going to give us some fig and pecorino cheese pasta, which sounds really good, actually. But yeah, that's pretty much what's on the menu. Seatbelt sign is still on, so once that seatbelt sign goes off, I'm going to be kind of giving you a little tour of this room. I got a toiletry bag on this flight. It's Marimekko and Finnair collab. Marimekko is a very popular brand here in Finland. I wish I could have gotten something from the store, but found it to be kind of expensive and I wasn't loving the things. The one thing that I did love, they didn't have in my size, so that kind of sucked. But, ooh, this eye mask is Marimekko style. That is so freaking cute. Really pretty. It also came with a bamboo toothbrush and some Hum toothpaste, and then some earplugs, which are always needed. I'm still not going to show you guys the cabin. I keep on saying room, but it's cabin because I keep on getting distracted. They just brought over a little hot napkin to kind of, wipe your paws, wipe your face, whatever you want to do with it. It smells really good too. I don't know. It's like a citrusy scent, but it's not like your regular orange. I don't know what this smells like. I'm gonna get super cozy. They did provide us with some slippers, and these look like they're wool. The material is super soft. Want to take my shoes off. Here is our cabin. We have a lot of room. Comes with 2 pillows, and look at all this leg room. We got a nice TV. There is so much storage. This is the most storage I have ever had on a business class flight, it seems like. So let me move some of my stuff out of the way. Right here, they gave us a mattress pad, a blanket. My jacket is all the way down there because I don't want to wear it, but like, look at all that room. I'm gonna spread out so you can see. Look at that. I don't even reach half of that. Like, someone that's 6'5" could easily fit in here. So on top of that, we have some storage here. I already have some of my stuff in here. So you can fit a laptop in here, probably like a 12, 14 inch. Mine doesn't fit in here because I have a 16-inch laptop. But then you also have this top part. I have my light, my glasses, some of my essentials. Comes with a little water bottle right here. You close that up. And now you also have this other really cool part. So the seat part right here lifts, and right under here you have, like, under there I have my laptop, my iPad, my headphones, and my shoes. That's a shoe storage place, but my laptop fits in there very comfortably. There's also this cool storage locker right next to your head. I have my sunglass case in here, but you can also plug in the headphones that they provide. You have a remote so that you're not moving and changing the stuff on the TV. And then you also have a USB and USB-C charging port. So I showed you the cubby that we get. There's also this little table. It's not little because it's actually pretty large. So it pulls out of here and then it opens up into this. And you can pretty much move it around anywhere where you're sitting. And then it stows back in here, and where it stows, you actually have a bunch of buttons with things that you can do. All right, so here are your buttons. This is the table button that I just used, brightness and darkness. Light, how bright you want the light. This is the cool part, and this is so no one bothers you. So let's do, this button is pretty cool because it makes the seat go all the way up. So you see that? And then it converts into a full bed. And the amount of room that you have for activities, at least for someone that's only 5 foot, is pretty crazy. Like, let me just show you guys this. It's kind of ridiculous. You crisscross applesauce. And then I have all this room over here. So I think this is honestly the comfiest business class I've been on. I also just ordered their signature cocktail. So their signature cocktail is called the Northern Blush. I already told you guys what was in it. It's like the gin, lingonberry, orange peel, and bitters, and it comes already prepackaged in a can. But let's give her a try. Okay. I definitely taste the gin and lingonberries, but it's not sweet, which I appreciate. It's a little citrusy, very, very lightly sour. I honestly love it. 10 out of 10. Oh, and they also gave me like these little cashews. I want to say it has sour cream and onion on them. I've never had sour cream and onion cashews before, but they're so good. They're super flavorful. I also have this blanket, which is very comfy. There's a mattress pad in here, like I showed you guys, but this blanket, I feel like it's Marimekko collab. Marimekko, like I said, has such beautiful designs. This pillow that they have here for your back is Marimekko, but the comforter is super comfy, and you could just lay and do whatever you want. I honestly love this. It's beyond comfortable. We've made it into the bathroom. So much room for activities. Like, look at all the space under me. Toilet, space, me again. So in the bathroom, you do have some C's made in Finland soap and hand wash, body lotion. You've got your sink. You've got a window, which is kind of nice. Imagine just pooping and looking out at this. And then a lot of space to do your business. For the cold appetizers, we have this like feta with, I believe it has strawberries and apple gel, tomatoes. It is so good. The feta is really yummy. And the pesto that's in it kind of goes, like, balances out very well. Mm. I could have that, like, as my whole meal. The next thing is some veal. I wasn't too sure about the veal because it was going to be cold, but it's a cold cut veal. And it's really good. I like it. It does have mushrooms, which I can't eat. But it also has like this lemon jelly, which is really yummy. The main course is a slow cooked beef with potato gratin, some cheese, onion puree, broccolini, bunch of stuff. Cheers. Mm. It's good. I think out of all the airplane food that I've had in business class, I haven't had like a lot of experience. I think this is my fourth or fifth. I'd say this is like maybe number 2. That says a lot. Dessert is here. They offered me a cheese plate, but I'm pretty full with dinner. I got a blueberry pie, but their blueberry pie is more like a blueberry loaf for us. It has a nice crumble. Look at that blueberry. It's really good. I just wish it was warm. I feel like if it was warm, it'd be nice and like just more moist than it is, because it's a little cold and hard. And I think it has cardamom or poppy seeds in it. Really yummy. Last meal on the flight, guys. This flight has been one of the best flights I've ever been on. I have been so productive. So since we're landing at 6-ish p.m., I have not slept. It's been 8 hours, almost 9 hours. And I am still up. I'm still going. Anyways, we got kind of like a little snack before we land. So this is a fig ravioli pasta. I believe that's what it's filled with in the inside. Oh, it is so hot. But I really like it. It's nice and creamy. A little sweet. It has some pine nuts on it. Really good. And then we also have this salad, which comes with these little baby shrimp. Cheers. It has a lot of dill. I personally love dill. It's creamy. The shrimp doesn't taste fishy. Pretty good ending meal. And right now I'm also watching a movie. I've literally been living my best life, being able to sit crisscross applesauce. Like, again, I've never been able to do that on any flight. We're descending and look at this sunset that we are flying into. This is the most beautiful thing I've seen in a while. You can see New York right there. Well, guys, like I said, we are about to land. Thank you so much for watching. I almost want to say that this is my favorite business class that I've been on. It is so comfortable. The staff is so nice. Like the nicest staff that I've encountered. Almost on par with Emirates. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you soon.